Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by launching Reels and choosing effects. This puts face tracking tools within reach. Once done, grant camera and mic permissions so detection runs smoothly, and pick front camera at about 0.5 to 1 meter for consistent tracking. Make sure to select either a template or blank canvas and set your clip length, 15 or 30 seconds, and if offered, a higher frame rate so movement looks fluid. These choices reduce jitter and prepare the canvas for stickers, masks, or AR elements you'll add next. Now you add an effect that uses face anchors or place AR elements manually, because that binds visuals to facial points. Once added, tweak scale and rotation so the element sits naturally, then test by moving your head, smiling, and raising eyebrows to confirm stability. Make sure to use the preview function and record short takes. This exposes drift. After that, trim clips and adjust keyframes so effects enter and exit cleanly. These refinements keep the illusion steady and responsive throughout motion. Finish by polishing visuals and sound. Tweak color and intensity, add music, captions, and a cover image so viewers tap. Once satisfied, save high quality and toggle save original if you want the master file, then publish to Reels with a concise caption and hashtags. If tracking breaks, try one key troubleshooting tip. Improve lighting and simplify the background first. If problems persist, reset the effect. Clear Instagram, cache, or pick a different face effect. Those steps usually resolve drift and occlusion issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.